Ini bisnis ada idau Tangkhul Music Forum President Rami Sera dengan iwi Bahrada Pemilu kada Tangkhul klasik ibu kila juga
Tangkhul klasik Asia jangan kompansa artis secara Korea na siya jumlah dan kompansa
kada isu komedian pakmi kata di Malay Bayre pakmi na itu miyat itu psychology entertain sa di na songai na
Ajin chief guest na isu President Tangkhul Music Forum ni Tangkhul Classic Asia ya present sa ngayon
kada Tangkhul artist saya di showmanship ni job siap mak sa di sana Malay Bayre kibat
Guru Ruben Meshakul Guru Ruben Meshakul Patmash Award Hello Dr. Mali Assurance Raikhan to the film industry in Palawan and leader actor cum director Assurance Raikhan Assurance Raikhan Kamateli Gurula Daina Ukhrul Tangkhul na sali juga lupi Paula ini lagi Daina Ukhrul kepengali guru kayu relay advisor Tangkhul Music Forum.
Ya Daina Tangkhul truly melody queen. I didn't know you in here. Ya nak hadis lagi.
Women advisor Tangkhul Music Forum, Ketua Kali Guru Pekmi Mohonau, Tangkhul Comedian Top, Guru Pekmi Mohonau, Icili PC Pekang,
Ari bine lujana kompansa kai achi wi chief ke sami ka ke to we cash in year da Muivah da kompansa da various artists in shop ke
Jimka Krishna Ojana Changla Kaya achi at performance sami kaya Lashio Tetiriti.
Tangga payment sami se Hon'ble MLA 44 something constituency group for a short speech.
Our honored guest, Mr. Arun Kumar Tangkhul, Honorable MLA of Wanghe. We are deeply grateful to you, Brother Arun, for taking time off to be with us this evening, the first Tangkhul Music Festival. We are deeply grateful to you. We are also deeply honored by your presence. And I must say thank you for your kind words about me. And also your colleagues, Mr. Keith Raikhan, who is a well-known football coach. He was football coach in Pune FC. Later on, he was football coach in Neroka. Now Neroka is in the ISM from Manipur. And I believe now he has opened a football academy in Mao. So thank you, Keith Raikhan, and also the colleague of, the friend of our guest of honor, Mr. Jenda, and other friends from Impal. Thank you very much for making it this evening and for taking time off to be with us this evening. And also, I would like to say thank you so much to President Tangkhul Music Forum, Mr. Rami Cheli and his colleagues for inviting me to be the chief guest this evening. I am deeply honored. I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and my goodwill will always be with the Tangkhul Music Forum. I will tell you why in a short while now. And also the other colleague, your colleague, Mr. Land and others. And also, how can I forget Guru Ukhrul MLA, the superstar. We can say he's also superstar of country music. He really lifted the prestige of Tangkhul by winning Padma Shri. It's a richly deserved recognition by the country. Incidentally, he is the second Padma Shri from Ukhrul. The first was legendary Major Bob Khatin, who is a son of this Ukhrul. He was awarded Padma Shri in 1957. Actually, he deserved much bigger recognition. He was the one who occupied perhaps the most beautiful corner of India, Tawang. Today, Tawang is part of India thanks to one person, legendary Major Bob Khatin. He occupied Tawang in 1951 without a bloodshed, without firing a shot. That was because of his diplomacy, because of his personality. That is how he won the dependence of Tawang people. Today, Chief Minister of Arunachal, Pema Khandu, the Union Minister, Kiren Rijiju, they would not have been Chief Minister in India had it not been for Major Bob Khatin. It was Major Bob Khatin who occupied Tawang and made it a part of India. Actually, he deserved much bigger recognition. I have been campaigning Major Bob Khatin ought to be given posthumous Bharat Ratna. He deserved it. There is no other Indian who occupied so peacefully a patch of land, the most beautiful corner of India. I hope one day, when India and China become good friends, I hope that Major Bob Khatin will be given his due share and recognition by the rest of the country. Friends, I will not take too much of your time. I would like to listen music rather than speeches. I would like to say, however, from childhood, I am a lover of Tangkhul music. Whenever I listen Tangkhul songs in the YouTube, it was always a sort of walking down the memory lane. When I was 8 years old, 1968, 69, 70, I was so much in love with Tangkhul music. I always waited Thursday, 5:45 p.m. That is Thursday listener's choice, Tangkhul listener's choice. Pokhrana. Though I was 8 years old, till today I remember the Tangkhul superstar Ramayana and the duet with Miss Baishola. I could never have enough of that song. You know, in 1968, there were no this cassette player or CD player. We depended on radio. Luckily, our village chief, he was the only one who owns a radio in our village. He had a very big Philips. Sometime my brother-in-law, Wang Khairakwang Tubu Jauhwa, he used to bring a small Toshiba radio. But the sound was not very good enough. So I used to go to the chief's house by 5:45 p.m. every night, every evening. I was very shy to go to the chief's house. So I used to drag along my younger brother Martin, who was not very bothered about music. But since I was too shy, I used to take him. And every Thursday, 5:45 p.m., All India Radio Impal, Tangkhul listener choice, I used to listen. Till today, I remember our superstar of yesteryear, Ramaya and Baishola. There were many other superstars. I have actually printed some of those classics, Tangkhul classics. So I'll be giving you away a few copies later on. And today, Guru Ukhrul MLA Padma Shri Awardee is really, truly the superstar of Tangkhul folk songs. There are other superstars like Muivah, is also superstar of Tangkhul country music, and Miss Tete, she is a melody queen. She is, unique, her songs. I have listened many other Tangkhul songs in the YouTube, but, most of them are influenced by Bollywood. But Miss Tete is a typical Tangkhul country songs. She is uninfluenced by Bollywood. There are many other, melody queens tonight or tomorrow they are performing Oriola, Nichibi. I used to listen to their music in the YouTube, and also many other artists. I don't recall many names, but I always enjoy the music. When I go for evening walk, morning walk, I always listen their Tangkhul songs. I have no hesitation to say Tangkhul music, Tangkhul love songs, probably one of the best in Northeast, if not the best. Perhaps Mizo, Lucy, they are the best. But Tangkhul could be rated or graded as number 2. I have listened Khasi song, Garo song, Arunachal, Nagaland, many. But I think maybe I'm biased, but Tangkhul songs are one of the most heart-touching, heart-moving ones, the Tangkhul songs. Manipuri, Tripuri, Assamese, of course they are of different genre. Manipuri, Assamese, Tripuri, they are of that Bollywood genre. Whereas Western genre, Tangkhul, Luce, Nagaland, and Meghalaya, we have a different genre, so it has to be classed apart. They cannot be clubbed together. So Manipuri, Assamese have got their own beauty. But when it comes to Western genre, I think Tangkhul is one of the best. So in the past, Tangkhul was number 1 in many things. Today, we are lagging behind. But at least the Tangkhul artists, they have come to the rescue of our prestige, our reputation. Today, I think the world recognizes Tangkhul music. And my hats off to them. I salute the Tangkhul artists. I will always try to, in my humble capacity, try to promote Tangkhul music. That is what I would like to share this morning, this evening. I shall not take too much of a time. Please enjoy the musical night. Finally, I would like to give a token of my support to President Mr. Ngarani. Mr. Ngarani, yeah, I seek the indulgence of friends from Muivah. Let me say a few words in Tangkhul also. Ishi Tangkhul level number 1 that side. Achieve Ishi Kanu Zatale. Ka Ishi number 1 dark later. The Tangkhul's lie. In the YouTube in Nana, Kamate, Jati Wine, Dry Wine, Ishina, Mangari Satellite, which Hangai, excepting perhaps Mizo. Mizo Maninga, Ishitangulali, Ishi, my Malay, Itumui, cut Ninkamula, Ishitangula, Songai, and a Tangkhul artist in Lee, Guru Ukhrul MLA, what must it be? Iva, he cut deserve fire. He deserve bigger recognition. The country artist in Atan, Miss Tete in our Tete Laksa, the show. Tete we will cut Tangkhul Late. Country artist in Bollywood, Hindi, when Tete influence on Surrey. Tete we chim Tamani. China Nikamula, take her, Abi Howliola, China Melody Queen, Abi Nimsiki. That to me largely like the country superstar. Atangin Hangai Guru Mushakro, Oshimo, Kala, your assurance is superstar of yesteryear. How can I forget? Kada ari phone ke thade shokte ne PC matak kada la thata in sai je in the thumli ba sabu sangai the in the thumli hang hai ne atam slam pe ke ni sinai ne ni hok ni ba